Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because I did a birthday haul. Yes, my birthday is December the 9th, and I wanted my little free gift, so of course I gotta spend money for them to ship me my free gift, because God forbid I drive 2 towns over, find parking, deal with all the empty shelves, all the people, and waiting 10 minutes to find someone to help you because everything's locked up. No, I shop online. So because you want your birthday gift online, you have to shop a minimum of $25. And it's Sephora. So that's not hard to do. But I really didn't need anything because I hit up the VIB sale. Anyways, long story short, they were having another 20% off sale, and I picked up a few items. So let me share with you what I got. Also, before I dive into Sephora, I was at Costco the day before Thanksgiving, and look what I found. All right, it's Costco packaging. This here is a 2-pack of the Babe Lash Essential Lash Serum. You get 2 of them. This was on sale. It was $10 off, and it was $33.99. Yeah, I think the regular price at $43.99 is fantastic for 2 bottles of their lash serum. I've been out of lash serum for a long time, and I'm noticing my lashes aren't as long as they used to be, so I'm happy to get that in my life. All right, let me open the box and share with you the very non-exciting Sephora haul I did. Honestly, I just picked up some staples, although I've never tried the products from these brands, and I'm really actually excited about the freebies. Hopefully they sent me what I ordered. A few times now, they've just sent random samples. Okay, yes. So, I'm not the best at perfumes. There are many I've never even smelled before. So, I always try to find a perfume sample, and the last few times I've done hauls, they didn't have any, but they had 2 today. All right, so this first sample is from a brand called DEDCOOL, or is that the fragrance name? No, fragrance number 3. And I want to say I looked this up and it surprised me. I think it's from Laura Mercier. Okay, first off, I know it's a free sample, but come on, can you at least fill up the tube? It's like halfway there. All right, let's see. Let me grab a piece of paper, because if I like the other one better, I don't want this one to be stuck on my wrist. It's so hard for me to pick up a scent when it's on paper. It seems very light. It's not obnoxious, but it's not like, oh my god, that's the best scent ever. And don't make me tell you what it smells like. If anything, it's kind of like a soft floral cookie, or I don't know. All right, let's go on to the second one. Ooh, this is from Valentino, and this is called Born in Roma. Again, is that just like standard? Look, it's halfway for the size of the bottle. I don't know. Hey, it was free. Let's just grab this tissue and let's first see. I don't know if I can smell anything. Where is the spritzer? Okay, right there. Ooh, that came out a lot more than the other one. Ooh, okay, I like this one. It's floral, but it has like some musky, amber, spicy, I don't know. All right, this one's all over my fingers, so I'm just gonna spritz it, wipe it, and move along to the other products. Wow, I've never seen Sephora wrap stuff up in paper. It feels fancy. All right, is that everything? I guess so. Okay, so let's start with the birthday gift. I went for the Patrick Ta Travel Size Major Brow Lamination Gel and Major Glow Lip Shine. I was this close to picking the, what do they call it? Like the surprise one, because I did some research online and you actually get 3 products. Let me know if you've ever picked the surprise one. But the 3 products, 2 of them were like skincare that I've already tried. Anyways, I wanted to try products I've never tried before, and I love Patrick Ta. All right, this looks like a shade right up my alley. Actually, I may own this one, but it's a light, shimmery, nude type of a gloss. And I don't really do my brows, but when I do, it's just a clear brow gel. And why is there something stringy coming off there? Interesting. Okay. So I have those in my life. Thank you, Sephora, for celebrating my birthday. All right. The two products I picked up in order to hit $25 are eyeliners. So the first one is from Huda Beauty. This here is the Creamy Kohl, which is a gel eyeliner. I searched eyeliners and I sorted by ratings, and I was trying to find a good one because I'm on a journey to find a gel eyeliner that will stick to my top waterline and not transfer down. This one got pretty good ratings. It was between this Huda liner and the gel eyeliner from Gwen Stefani's Give line. But this one went out because it's Lazy Girl approved. You don't have to sharpen it. And they both had the same-ish rating, and there was only $1 difference in pricing. All right, I did kind of a fat swatch there. It seemed pretty creamy. I will be using this in an upcoming video. Now, the last product is also an eyeliner, but this one is a gel liner. This is the Stay All Day from STILA, and it's the travel size. I was bouncing back and forth. Do I want the full size? Do I not want the full size? When I saw the price total was closer to $25, after the 20% discount, my grand total came to like 26 bucks. I will list that on screen. This is way tinier, but it was also, I want to say, half the price of the full size, and for the same amount of grams or milliliters. It wasn't like you got screwed by getting the travel size. I thought, you know, sometimes those travel sizes, they get you because you get a better deal getting the full size. This travel size was literally about half the quantity and half the price. So I'm going to give this a try right now just because this is what I look like after 8 hours of makeup, waking up at like 6 a.m. I don't put on blush. I don't do anything, and actually touched up my lipstick just for this video. I just put on BB cream, concealer, mascara, and eyeliner, and I put a little bit of contour. That's it. No shadow, nothing fancy. No what do you call it? Highlighter. Okay. It didn't do anything bad. I will need to use it more than just that one time. Alright, so this is a very quick video. Hopefully editing will go quick and it will be up by Friday. I'm filming Wednesday midweek, which I rarely ever do, especially now that I have to go into the office and commute. Ugh, it's raining so hard out in Seattle, and yeah, I'm not used to commuting. And just going into the office, the commute, waking up dark, coming home dark, it's just sucking the life out of me. Alright, enough ranting. I'm super curious if you've tried either the Huda gel eyeliner or the Stila Slay All Day liquid liner. Also, did you pick up this Patrick Ta kit for your birthday? If not, let me know what you grabbed. And let me know if you've used or tried either of these perfumes. And if you have, what do you think of them? Also, I don't know if this sale's still going on, but if you do shop at Costco, make sure you always hit up the kind of beauty section, because they will have some really good deals. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, consider it a birthday gift. Clicking that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.